You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. For more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. We've got many more on the channel, and at the end of the videos, the person making a claim, it's a legal term, pronounced in English as claimant. Claimant. Okay, so it's not claimant. Claimant. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.